Hello guys, you know what time it is? It's recipe time, and today we have Tubani. That is what we are going to be making, Tubani. And this was one of my favorites growing up as a kid, and I still love this till date. It's really nutritious and very easy to make, so let's get right into it. So we are going to be blending our beans. Usually we use the beans powder, but then I just added some water to mine just to make it easier to blend and to get a good paste. So if you have a really good blender where you can do it without water, or a place where you can just get a powder to buy, that's even easier. It makes everything easier for you, so you can go with that. So I just blend mine and I rinse off my food processor and add that water to it and just give it a little stir. And I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. If you have saltpeter or what we call cown, you can add that too. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And we are just going to mix all this up. I'm going to give it a good stir for like 5 minutes just to get some air into this. That's going to make it light and fluffy. Okay, we don't want to finish making this and it will be dense. Okay, so just stir that for a while. At this point, I think I'm satisfied with how my tubani looks, so I'm just going to go ahead and put them in my banana leaves, and this is how we are going to cook it. People typically use plain poly bags or cling wraps, but I think this is a more healthier way to go about it. So if you can find some banana leaves wherever you may be, that would be great. Okay guys, so when you're folding the tubani in the banana leaves, you still have to be very careful because they can leak out at any time when you're not holding it right. So just pay attention and be careful and you'll be all right. So I've just stuffed this saucepan with leaves and fall underneath it. So that's just to help create a bed where I'll place my tubani. You don't want it to be in direct contact with the water. We are going to steam it. So we are just going to let that heat up for a while. Then we'll gently place our tubani on the leaves. There we go. So we are just going to cover that up and give it time to do its thing. So in another saucepan, I've just heated up some oil and I'm going to fry some onions in these. And yeah, when I say fry, we are really going to fry these. Okay. I wasn't joking when I said we are really going to fry these onions. So this is how I wanted it to be. Just a little burnt because it gives it this nice flavor. It adds up to the flavor of our tubani. So yeah, but then if you don't want your onions looking like this, just don't fry them to that point. but I promise it's nice and you would love it. This right here is the perfect texture for our Tubani. It's soft and fluffy, and I'm serving mine up with a mixture of pepper and salt together with our fried oil and of course our burnt onions. So you guys should give this recipe a try and let me know how it played out for you.